Good evening. How you doing?
I'm fine, sir. Please, I want you to introduce yourself to my viewers.
My name is Lanre Cheriba, popularly known as Atorise.
Nice meeting you, sir.
It's a pleasure.
Do you have with Mr. Opeyemi Shilo?
He's a colleague in the industry, and Opeyemi Ajayi Shilo happens to be somebody that I like his music personally. To encounter like that, all I know is he's a colleague in the industry, and like I said earlier, Shilo is somebody that I respect his music. He has the talent, and we are here to celebrate him.
All right, thanks for coming, sir. And what prayer or advice do you have for him?
I'm not here to advise him. He's an adult, but to back him up with prayers. My prayer for him is that sky will be his starting point in life in Jesus' name.